Wednesday. I'm off work. I'm at the apartment. It is a mess in here. But I have now started to paint this wall. It's gonna be black. So there's been so much happening lately. The last month I got a new job at the airport here in Bergen, so I moved back from Sweden. Bought an apartment, or it actually has 2 floors, so it feels like a mini house. And it is around 120 square meters, like European square meters. So I'm now renovating the whole place, and I thought I would do a quick little overview. So I will vlog everything. Hopefully I can move in before Christmas. That is like my goal. But now it is the 21st of November, so it is only 1 month until Christmas. So here you come into the hallway. This door right here I'm gonna take away. I'm gonna open it up, so it will be like a hallway into the living room. And here is my bedroom. So I've painted the walls, so they are finished. And my dad is now adding the new floors. So these were the floors that was all over this place. So I got these gray ones, and I'm so obsessed with that, especially to that color on the wall. The lighting is so bad, I will change that as well. Here is a window out, and you can see I have a little mini terrace out here. This was actually a storage space, an extra room. I will show you when we come into the living room. But I just ripped a hole in the wall right here, and in here I will have my walk-in closet. So there will be a full walk-in closet all the way. Earlier there was a door here, but I decided to take that away and put a whole walk-in closet in here. So far this is almost done, this room. And you see all my dad's tools are here. I'm totally gonna get new doors because these ones are terrible. Here is like the bathroom. It's like the worst bathroom I've ever seen in my whole life. So I'm gonna rip all this away. I'm gonna get tiles on the walls, new tiles on the floor. I'm also gonna have a toilet that hangs on the wall, and I'm gonna get a new sink, new cabinets. I will have like a huge cabinet right here and a washing machine in that corner. But this room is like terrible, so ain't nobody entering that. Then we go into the living room. So here you can see the door was into the storage. So my dad did an amazing job covering that up. Here we have the nursery room. As you can see, it is the same ugly floors right here. I will also change these floors, so I'm gonna have new floors everywhere. So I'm gonna rip out this closet. I'm gonna get a new lamp as well and paint this when I know the sex of the baby. And then we have this huge living room, so I'm gonna put my couch right here. Now I'm gonna paint this wall black. The stairs are gonna become white. I love my new lamps, like these are so beautiful. I have another one over there. And I'm gonna paint like everything that is like wood-ish. I'm gonna paint white. This door is gonna go. I have already bought white doors for the baby room. And all this is gonna get painted as well. And this wall as well. So here is the kitchen area right now. Got a new lamp, one of my favorites so far. This kitchen and everything here is going as well. We're gonna rip it all apart, and as you can see, my dad have started to rip down the walls. Yeah, so it's gonna be a square wall here. I'm gonna have a black kitchen, and here I'm gonna have my dining room area. I got the cutest chairs ever. So now I'm just going to continue to paint, and hopefully my dad will start to rip the kitchen this week once he finishes the bedroom and closet. And yes, I will show you upstairs a little bit later in this vlog. So that is pretty much what I'm doing today. I'm gonna paint that wall and hopefully start on the other walls as well, eat some dinner, and go and buy some furniture. So I will take you guys with me on that, and I will see you soon. Mwah.
Turning yellow, the air is getting cold, my mind is feeling mellow, the days of fall are growing old. When I say that your arms should always be around me, come the day when the snow is falling over all we see, I wake up from a slumber to the sound of carol songs. Despite the stress that we've been under, I feel today.
Hey guys, and happy December 1st. So I am now at the house trying to arrange a little in my beauty room. As you can see, this place is a chaos. But I'm supposed to film a makeup tutorial right now, so I just need to make the background look nice. So I need to organize a little bit here and there, make it nice and cozy, and hopefully I will find the makeup that I'm needing for this tutorial because it's all over the place. I'm going to a Christmas party with my new job. So first we're gonna go home to one and drink some wine and stuff, but I'm not gonna drink since I'm pregnant, but they are, and then we're headed to a hotel for dinner and maybe some drinks and fun. So it will be nice. So I will do a get ready with me, and then I will head to my sister to fix my hair and change clothes, and then I'm off. So I need to straighten up this in a hurry and sit down and film. Hey guys, so I just finished off my makeup. As you can see, here is the mess of a YouTuber which just filmed a tutorial. I'm gonna be at the party in 1 hour and 25 minutes. I still haven't fixed my hair. I haven't gotten dressed. So I'm just quickly gonna grab my lip products with me, and we are heading out the door. And there's a new floor. Yes. And tomorrow they are coming to put the kitchen on. So I'm gonna have the oven right here, my new fridge, which is the LG side-by-side fridge. So excited for that one. Overview of my kitchen. Yeah, so far so good. Gonna paint these white as well. It is a mess. I filmed yesterday and I still have like all my makeup in bags and all over the place, as you can see. Like all my lipsticks are here, palettes, more lipsticks. But I kind of finished the background. Look like a mess because of the Christmas party yesterday. I got home at 4 AM, so it was such a blast. I had the most amazing time with the girls, and then I met up with my brother and his friends, and we had so much fun, so it was nice. Now it is like 10:30, December 2nd, and I'm just picking up my chargers, makeup for work tomorrow, and then I'm heading home to sleep. So tired today, just ate pizza. So hopefully tomorrow before work I will go here and I will have time to organize a little bit in here. Hey guys! So today it is December 5th, the 5th of December, and I'm on my way to the apartment. I'm gonna pick up some mail and I will pick up my brother later. We're going Christmas shopping for my father, family, and my sister's birthday tomorrow. I'm also going to a baby appointment tomorrow, which will be so excited as well. So I will take you guys with me, but now we are at the apartment. It is raining, it's very dark outside, as you can see. So we will see how it goes with the kitchen and stuff, and I will see you later.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time.
Hey guys, so today it is Monday, December 10th, and it's the last day of this VLOGMAS week, so I thought I would just vlog a little bit since I haven't actually talked to you in a very long time because I've been sick, I've been working. I'm having drawers put in these shelves right here, and then I'm also gonna organize all my Alex drawers with all the makeup and finish decorating this top right here and these shelves, because I think I will use this as my Christmas background when I'm not wanting to use like the mirror ones right here. Therefore I thought it would be better to just have a plain white background so you won't get distracted of all the craziness going on in the background. So I also can show you out here, it's also a total chaos. Like, there's my lighting, my camera. This will be my new like office kind of things where I will have my computer and stuff. And yeah, I can't wait to get this fully organized and furnished as well with some pictures and stuff. So this whole second floor right here will like be my beauty room, office space, and just a place to chill and play with makeup.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on.
So I finally got everything nice and organized, so I decided to have everything spread out like this. Therefore I have like new ones right here, and open ones I have on top of the box just to have all the information and stuff. And then we have drugstore. Here's gonna be one Wet n Wild that I have home, which I use almost every single day. Love that. And we have more drugstore all the way down here. But now finally all my foundation is sorted out. think I will have like setting sprays here, concealers here, and primers. So we have like all the face thing going on in this one. And on the other side I will have like palettes, eye stuff, giveaway stuff. I have all my special effect makeup already organized like down here. So we have like latex and stuff. We have blood. And I have more like special effect things here and wounds and stuff, which I think will go in this one or in that one. I'm not sure, but I will go now and buy some more Christmas decor for this thing that I have going on. I think I'll buy some silver Christmas ornaments instead of that pink tree, and I will put the pink tree on my vanity, I think. So I will be right back later.
Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from Christmas sun. From this Christmas sun. From this Christmas sun. It's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas sun. From this Christmas sun.
Hey guys, so it is now 7 p.m. I have wrapped the Christmas presents and I just ate dinner. I've changed the clothes as well because it's so freaking cold here right now. So since I need to get up at 5 in the morning, I think I will wrap up this week's Vlogmas and start to edit this before it is too late, because this vlog is going up tonight and it's now 7 p.m. and I just ate dinner. And yes, I'm not sure if I have any time to run to the house and organize there, so I think I will leave that for tomorrow since I am off work at 11. So I will have plenty of time tomorrow, the whole day, to do organizing things and see how far my dad has come on my closet. He's over there now building the closet, or hopefully he's at least building the room that the closet is going to be in, the walk-in closet, and the kitchen as well. So I will keep you updated, so be sure to watch next week's Vlogmas as well to see the house renovating process. And I will of course also film a house tour and a beauty room tour very soon, so keep your eyes up for that. And hopefully you enjoyed this week of Vlogmas. Hopefully it wasn't too boring for you guys, and hopefully it wasn't just work, talking and all that jazz. Hopefully it's a little bit fun to see the process of the house and all that jazz. So if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Also be sure to subscribe because I will have a holiday giveaway up very soon, and I also have a giveaway up on Instagram now, so be sure to check that out. I will leave a link down below. And thank you for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.